In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use State Street online reporting tools. So, using State Street's online reporting tools involves logging into specific portals like the investor portal, using APIs via the developer portal, or leveraging data platforms like Alpha or Trade Nexus, requiring secure access, understanding specific product interface, and potentially using APIs for integrated feeds, with the primary goal of accessing real time investment data, automating workflows, and gaining insights. So, what you can do is simply go ahead and start by identifying your specific tool. So, for example, Alpha could be one, FX Connect, Investor Portal could be one, and then follow the official guides or contact your State Street representative for login details and training, often involving authorization or for APIs or specific portal logins for web access. Well, there are a couple of key features that you can go ahead and use. So, for example, Trade Nexus offers a consolidated view for post trade activities, while Alpha unifies data. You can also utilize price stats for inflation data or transform data into actionable insights. You can also integrate with tools like FX Connect or Charles River for straight through processing. So, I hope this video clarifies everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.